Machakos Wavinya Ndeti owacho ni nitiere moko kuom Jomahundu manodonjore e ng'anyo mag rawere mag Gen Z ewi paro mar chik omenda ma higani kendo ketho mwandu johala kod mago mag piny owacho. Kolosi boma mavoko e kinde nyasi chama mar apis adek mag kaunti ya Machakos, Wavinya okwayo obila mondo mi otim apedha e odonjore manodonjore e ng'anyo kendo kawnegi okang' madwarore. Omedo lero ni dwaro ntiere mandiko rawere tije migipe mopogore opogore gino mabiro konyo chwalo dongruok e thurka.
That I shall always truly and diligently serve the people.
That's mine.
It hurts me as a mother when I see our young people demonstrating and then you have goons coming to interfere with them. I was in the space yesterday and I spoke to them. And when you hear them, sincerely speaking, they have points. They are very sensible. Na hawa ni watu wamesoma, hawa sio wajinga. And I want to tell you, where are they educated? These are children who got free education during Kibaki's time. See, from 202, during Kibaki's time and during Uhuru's time. So we are dealing with a generation that is well educated and well informed. We have more than 75 to 80% of young generation in this country. Anything we do, we must do geared to the interest of the majority, who are the young people. So what I'm requesting our youth, you want to demonstrate, we don't have a problem. And if you see these other goons that are coming out to